No flash.
Take care of the Victor.
Elise after, Elise. Victor on me. Victor is slow.
Going on
You can
Jinx,
fight.
Origen start their quarterfinals 2-0.
Just chill, dude. Just chill.
Why can't you chill?
Why don't we sit here and chill, dude?
Why don't we just sit here and chill?
Yeah. Why don't play some League and chill?
Baron naturally plenty of damage. Niels maybe won't take this for himself. He goes in with Soaz. They gotta be careful what they do. Oh my god! And again, it's no kills, it's just flash rolls taken. Game 3. And L in a bad way, taking more damage. The flash knock of the rocket hits, and Peke from downtown gets the kill.
Now holds Super Origen, and look at that grit.
Puts the rocket in. Oh no! And Europe has a semi-finalist at the World Championship as Origen win 3-1.